mega show beginning of the year?
Well, first of all, I'd like to start with it's like a dream come true for me because for a long time I've been dreaming to have a big concert like this with my husband Lalit Pandit because they've got some amazing music in their kitties and they made some fantastic music. 90s kid, they were known as the Romantic Kings. So for a long time I was thinking that I needed to do something big, and ultimately, I came across with this concept where let's bring their music back because it's remixes are so much in vogue and they're all doing the 90s music, so why not just have the normal music, what they used to have. So we're having it with all the 60 ensemble of 60 musicians, all the original singers singing, and it's a dream for me to have this, do for my husband Lalit, because I mean they're brilliant composers. So yeah.
60 musicians, it's unheard of, especially in India, the music scene. So, how did you conceptualize the whole thing? I mean, why 60 musicians? Why not just I mean, there are a lot of questions when it comes to
Yeah,
booking the
because
show.
nowadays everything is so digital. The music is like made on one laptop and like computer and stuff like that. So people with today's generation don't know what live music is all about. And in fact, when even Lalit was, when he started off when he was like 17, yeah. So there was this little change. There was little, thoda sa electronic music aa gaya tha, but they chose to have live music. So when we were getting their music back, I thought it's a brilliant idea to bring in all those musicians who've actually played for them in recording. 80% of the musicians are the same who played for them in their recordings. So the sound and the grandeur that comes with all these people is something else. So it's more of live music than electronic music is like everybody's doing it. So it's like to bring back that era.
You're launching IM Entertainment, your company, with that, and it's an ideal platform to do so. So, what's next coming from IM Entertainment?
Well, to begin with, let me just finish off with this today. I already have my plans for something bigger than this, with, of course, my husband Lalit Pandit. And my children, that is Rohansh Pandit and Nabir Pandit, are also into music. So we're going to bring them into this and come up with some new concept. Just wait for a couple of months and I'm going to be out with it.
And they are also part of the show today. They are
Yes,
performing.
they are performing. My son Rohansh is going to be playing the keyboard, and my son Abir is going to play the drums. Yes.
So there's always when two creative people get together, they always
Oh, the atmosphere in our house is wonderful. I mean, it's brilliant to see all these three men talking about music
was this
and
one moment? So
yeah, it's super fun. It's like 1 o'clock in the night and you hear some piano somewhere and someone's playing the drums, and then suddenly come up to my husband Lalit and say, Papa, look at this harmony and this and that. So it's a wonderful feeling. All three of them into music and what they talk is like totally different. So it's very difficult,
So
yeah.
when it comes to music, you have your preference of songs that you tell Lalaji, this should be part of the Gana. When you were putting it together, list of songs, or it was just.
Well, honestly, it was very difficult for me to do that. And I mean, this I left on Lalichi because he knows how to kind of categorize the songs and bring it. It was very difficult to choose which one. So I told him this is like season one, and we'll get the season two, and then we'll take the other songs on.
So which is your favorite song of the two? You know,
I think
you've
all
been
the
part of
songs are
all
favorite.
the major
Okay.
songs, yeah.
So
So
if you
some
really ask me something, I think it's that the last time I also said it's that Mohabbat Ka Pero Mein Bandhan Hai. I think it's brilliant. I love it.
so romantically, I'm sure both of you when you discussing songs, so is this one particular
No, no,
song
no,
that
no.
you
I
listen
don't
to?
discuss songs with Lalit. That is something which he does it on his own. I don't do all that, but uh, I mean, sometimes you just give your, like an audience, you say, "Huh, it's sounding good. It's not sounding good." So it's just that much. That's it.
I'm sure he's made such wonderful songs, internal hits, as you say. So, Kabhi, making of a song, any song that any incident that you remember
Okay,
that you
I'll
would
tell
want
you.
to
I'll tell
cite.
you. It's about Munni Badnaam. So there was this one day he was composing, and I went to the studio, and I was just sitting and doing something out next to him. So I said, Lalit, not this song. I mean, what's wrong with you? Munni Badnaam, ye kya hai? What are these wordings? So he said, don't bother. And then after that, it was like, after about 5 days, he gets me this pen drive and he says, hear it. And it was like when I heard the song and I just couldn't stop dancing and I'm like, wow, what have you made? So, I mean, this is like one of the incidents that I really remember, and it's Broken Records is one of those iconic songs of Bollywood in today's time, yes.
So, you'll have Lalitji, Abir and Rohaj all together on one stage.
Oh, it's
What is
such,
the
it's
kind of
going to
feeling?
be a very, if you ask me, like a mother and a wife, it's going to be a very, very, very proud moment for me to see all three men up there on stage performing. And after 14 years, we're going to have Jatin Lalit also perform. So it's going to be a wonderful feeling to see all of them together. Thank you.
So Amir and Raj.
Yeah.
Didi, are you coming? Ready? Amir and Raj, it's a big, big day today. Eternal Hits का आज इतना mega show हो रहा है. What do you both have to say? And you're part of the show. You both are performing also.
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to say kudos to my mom for putting all this together. She's really worked very hard. I've seen everybody, especially her, work hard for the past month. And Dad for getting me out here in front of you, wonderful people, and I'm just ready to rock it now.
What do you have to say?
So I just feel that's going to be a very good experience for everyone, and with such great musicians, playing with such great musicians, with such great singers, it's just going to be such a good night. I just enjoy everyone likes it.
So mom has put this together. She's launching the company also, which I'm sure there are a lot of more shows coming forward. So what do you have to say about IM Entertainment?
Well, it's a new business venture, and I wish my mom all the best for it. I'm looking forward to it now.
Well, I'm proud of my mom for I Am Entertainment, and I'm sure she's going to entertain everything.
So what were your inputs? When she was putting the name together, how did you all help her put this together creatively in the head? When this
Well,
whole show was being
To be
conceived?
honest, there's not been much contribution from my side in terms of the creative part of it. But I'm just a musician. My contribution to it is more towards my father being a musician and all, putting all that together. But the rest, like getting everything together, is all my mom. I don't think anybody helped her like in that way. All doing all-
Same when I actually didn't help her in setting up or anything or with the name, because it was all her. But when she came up with the name, I really loved the name I Am Entertainment. I found that very positive, and the logo and everything. And when she came
Yeah,
up
I
to
might
me,
have helped her with the logo.
yeah.
Yeah, he helped me with the logo, and the name was given to me by my daughter Seher. She said, "Mom, you have to name this as I Am Entertainment."
So is Seher here with us today?
Seher is going to be here in about 5 minutes. She should be here any minute.
So in terms
Oh,
of
she's here.
rehearsals, with dad at home, what were the creative inputs that you all exchanged, with particular song, or it's just the same flow that we get to hear?
No, I actually got to learn a lot more and detailed work. I got to study the scores of his songs over the years, and I've grown up as a musician in the past 1 month because of reading all the notes and all of that. I worked with one of the fantastic musicians, I think, here, and it's been a very educational experience for me so far.
And yes, and I'm playing one song on the drum, Koi Mil Gaya, which is one of my favorite songs of my father's. And I feel whenever at night he used to teach me and he used to talk to me about it, I learned a lot about drums, I learned a lot about rhythm, and also I learned a lot about music and how to make it.
So which is dad's favorite song?
My personal is Pehla Nasha, goes without saying.
What about you?
Well, just yesterday I was listening to I'm the Best, so I'm in that I'm the Best zone. So
Any second thoughts for another song that you would want to say that?
All his songs are good, yeah. I mean, it's like every song is like his creation, so it's like a baby for us. So every song is good for us, yes.
So wish you all good luck.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Thank you
much.
so
Thank
much.
you. Seher is here as well.
Yeah, please. Ready? मीना जी पहले तो मैं आपसे शुरुआत करूंगी आई एम एंटरटेनमेंट में जो आइकॉनिक सॉन्ग जतिन ललित जी का जो रहा है नहीं बता भी ममता इज राइट
Jatin Lalit ji ka nahi, let me correct you. Lalit Pandit ka.
sorry Lalit Pandit ji ka so Mamta is right here so how did this all happen I'm sure you've been part of it and such a successful song which has set precedence in the entire industry in the single music scene in films.
No, like I said, when Lalit ji was composing the song, and then after that, I think I used to see Mamta come in every day, and it's like a lot of things have also been put in by her. So it's like I think दोनों ने बहुत मेहनत करके, they've kind of made this song, and it was the best song I think of Lalit ji because वो item songs कभी किए नहीं थे, and I think that's like the most iconic item number of Bollywood, I can call it. Yes.
Created history.
Created
Mamta,
history.
such a wonderful song. You almost started your career,
Right.
film career with that song, and I'm sure we consider you very lucky to be part of that song. कैसे पूरी journey शुरू हुई आपकी ललित जी के साथ?
I guess I have been very, very lucky to meet Lalit sir. I met him during a show, stage show, and that was then when he said कि भाई तुम आके मिलो studio में, and I went after 2 years of that meeting. After 2 years, I went and met him, and he was like, where were you? You didn't turn up and all that. Then this song was there. Sir बोले कि आप अपनी आवाज़ में scratch कर दो. So I did that and I never knew it because मुझे लगा था कि scratch singers अलग होते हैं and playback singers अलग होते हैं and playback के लिए कुछ special training होती है या something, मतलब whatever, but I never considered myself कि भाई मेरा voice रहेगा finally. And जब उसके 6 महीने बाद सर ने मुझे कॉल किया एंड ही सेड, पता है तुम्हें तुम्हारा गाना कहाँ जा रहा है, तुमने जो गाया था. मैंने बोला सर मेरी आवाज़ अभी तक है उसमें. माई फर्स्ट रिएक्शन वॉज दिस. बोले येस तुम्हारी आवाज़ है एंड दैट इज़ गोइंग इन सलमान खान्स मूवी एंड अरबाज सर वॉज प्रोड्यूसिंग इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड मलाइका मैम वॉज सपोज टू परफॉर्म दैट विद सलमान सर एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. एंड आई वॉज लाइक, मतलब उस रात मुझे नींद नहीं आई पूरा रात ये सोच के कि ये कब रिलीज़ होगा और मैं देखूँगी कि मेरी आवाज़ है उस गाने में. आई वॉज लाइक सो सुपर एक्साइटेड. सो आई इन अ वे ओ माई सक्सेस टू ललित सर आई थिंक, बिकॉज ललित सर इज़ द वन जिन्होंने, मतलब जैसे कहते हैं ना रॉ टैलेंट को चांस देना, वो ललित सर ने मुझे दिया है. सो आई एम रियली रियली थैंकफुल टू हिम एंड टू हर.
No, for me.
शी इज़ अमेजिंग. मतलब कहते हैं ना हर सक्सेसफुल इंसान के पीछे एक लेडी का हाथ होता है. सो शी इज़ द वन जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा सपोर्टिव हैं इन एवरी सेंस, मतलब डबिंग के वक्त भी एंड उसके बिहाइंड भी. सो आई एम लाइक रियली रियली लकी कि मैं ललित सर से मिली एंड मेरा जर्नी शुरू हुआ.
आज मीरा जी की कंपनी का भी लॉन्च है आज
जी.
दिस होल शो टुगेदर सिंगल हैंडेडली एंड वंडरफुली. उनके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे और आई एम एंटरटेनमेंट के स्पेशली.
ये बिल्कुल वैसे ही हैं जैसे नगीना मीना इज़ वेरी फेमस मीनाकारी में, ऐसे ही ये कलाकारी में बहुत फेमस है. एंड आई एम एंटरटेनमेंट इज़ परफेक्ट फॉर एनीबॉडी बिकॉज आज का शो अगर आप देखेंगे तो यू विल कम टू नो कि व्हाट म्यूज़िक रियली मीन्स. एंड लाइव म्यूज़िक इज़ समथिंग विच लाइक पम्प्स योर हार्ट एंड आपके पैर थिरकने चाहिए, दिल धड़कना चाहिए. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट जतिन ललित म्यूज़िक इज़ ऑल अबाउट. एंड आज का शो मतलब मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस है. मतलब सिम्फनी और पूरी दुनिया एक तरफ, जतिन ललित का म्यूज़िक एक तरफ. फॉर मी इट्स लाइक दैट.
आज आप ऑफ कोर्स मुनी बदनाम भी करने वाले हैं.
Yes.
परफॉर्मिंग ऑन दैट एंड ललित जी हैं तो ब्रिंगिंग बैक ऑल
Memories,
मेमोरीज
yeah.
टुगेदर. व्हाट आर यू लुकिंग
मुनी बदनाम की तरफ तो मैं देख ही रही हूँ, लेकिन मेरा पहला नशा इज़ माई फेवरेट सॉन्ग फॉर एवर. और बल्कि सारे ही गाने, कोई गाना ऐसा नहीं है. एक दिन आप यूँ हमको मिल जाएंगे इज़ माई फेवरेट सॉन्ग अगेन. एंड आई होप कि बहुत सारे लोगों के ये फेवरेट गाने हैं एंड ये सदियों से चले आ रहे हैं और सदियों तक चलते रहेंगे. इसको कोई मतलब रोक नहीं सकता है, ये दिलों में है. और वही चीज़ मैं एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए यहाँ हूँ. मोर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट से ज़्यादा मैं आज ऑडियंस की तरह ज़्यादा हूँ यहाँ पर. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हो रही है कि सारे ओरिजिनल सिंगर्स विद ओरिजिनल कंपोजर्स एंड विद लाइव म्यूजिशियंस. सो मेनी लाइव म्यूजिशियंस आर देयर, लाइव वायलिन्स है. मतलब ये बहुत कम आजकल देखने को मिलता है. सो आई एम लाइक सुपर हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट.
सॉरी वी हैव टू हियर द सॉन्ग.
विच वन? मुन्नी?
बदनाम है
तो स्टेज पे नहीं सुन रहे हैं आप? ओके. मुन्नी बदनाम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए, मुन्नी बदनाम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए. मुन्नी के गाल गुलाबी नैन शराबी चाल नवाबी रे झंडू बॉम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए. मुन्नी बदनाम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए. थैंक यू.